Yes guys, welcome back to another episode of Just Mad Cars, and today the video is a bit different. This isn't a how-to video, it's not a DIY channel, it's not a DIY video. It's I did something and I wanted to share with you how I did it. So if you're looking to do the same thing, you can use this video as a way to see different techniques basically. But obviously consult a professional if you want real help. But yeah, here's the video guys, hope you enjoy it. Again, if you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe. Even if you're old, like and subscribe. But actually, you can't subscribe if you're already new.
Why are you asking to subscribe if they haven't watched the video yet?
Oh yeah, that doesn't make sense, does it?
Bro, you're longing it out there. Leave it.
Luckily, I had a scrap panel lying around in my garden, so I didn't need to buy one. As you can see, it was pretty nasty, but the paint didn't seem terrible. So I started by cleaning the panel in the same manner that I would clean my car. So rinse, pre-wash, snow foam and contact wash. I'll link the products that I used in the description, and you can check my previous wash videos to see the steps in greater depth. I had to use a pump sprayer to apply the snow foam as I wasn't willing to take out the pressure washer for one panel. Once clean, I applied a fallout remover to dissolve all the contaminants from the panel. As the panel has just been in a garden for a while, it wasn't really contaminated, so no bleeding shots, sorry. My product of choice was Bilt Hamber Korrosol, which will be in the description. After drying the panel, I got to see what the paint really looked and felt like. There weren't any big scratches or defects, but the paint felt like a hairy leg. Next step was to clay the paint. If you've never clayed your car before, it's always a good thing to do as it takes off the dirt that you can't see. Again, if you've never clayed before, use warm water to help shape the clay and always use clay lube to help move it around the paint. It started raining at this point, so that added some extra lubrication. Don't forget to dry once you've completed the clay bar stage. Next, it was time to bust out the big thing. The DA I had recently purchased is made by a company called Katsu, and it was literally the cheapest one on Amazon. It came with a pad that was quite hard, so I started with that. I didn't realise how much product the pad actually soaks up, but from watching several Meguiars UK Day in the Bay videos, I used Del Mar's technique of priming the pad with the product before applying the amount recommended in the instructions. As I felt a bit more comfortable, I broke out a pad that I actually paid for, which was a Hex Logic medium heavy cutting pad. I spent more time working the products and did a couple of passes as I wanted to see the best possible results. The last pad I used was a Hex Logic finishing pad, which was much softer than the last one. I used it to apply a liquid wax, as my research told me that waxes don't need to be worked the way polishes do to be effective. This also highlighted things I was doing wrong, such as applying more pressure than needed to the DA, and I wasn't holding the machine level, which was stopping it from spinning freely, which could cause marring due to the amount of heat that DAs can build up. However, I was very happy with my first attempt handling a DA, and I even started playing with the speed settings to feel the difference. After buffing the panel, it was noticeably shinier, and after seeing the water sheet off, I was very happy with the results. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that you either learned something or you're going to apply what you've seen in this video into what you're going to do. If you didn't like it, cool. But yeah, like I said, if you did like it, go and watch other videos that I've made. You might like those too, and you might want to subscribe. And if you did like the video, actually give it a like or a dislike if you didn't like it. I don't really care. It does the same thing on the algorithm, so it's not a big deal to me. But yeah, thanks guys, see you in the next one.